Horseback riding is a roughing it day camp tradition. Our riding program is designed for all abilities, so both first-time riders through advanced riders can build their skills. Our goal at Roughing It is for every camper to be safe and comfortable, so they gain confidence and have fun learning to ride with our experienced riding staff and our wonderful horses.
Our horseback riding programs are some of our most popular activities that campers do, and all campers who are in our 4 and 8 week day camp program participate in 1 to 3 lessons a week depending on their age. And then we also have a 2-week full day program for campers who just want to be with horses all day called Horse Day Camp, and a half-day introductory program called Hello Horse Camp.
Campers come out to ride for 40-minute lessons 1 to 3 times per week based on age. Campers are grouped by riding ability into small lesson groups. We start with our horse readiness class for those who have never ridden, where we teach campers to be safe and comfortable around horses and learn the basics of riding a horse. Beginner campers learn to ride a horse independently and work on the basics of walking, stopping, and steering. Advanced beginners learn trotting and maneuvering through obstacle courses. Intermediate riders progress to cantering, small jumps, and riding outside the arena on our pasture trail. Advanced and more experienced riders can ride on our cross-country course and learn more advanced techniques in jumping and dressage. Our riding staff are all adults, with years of experience working with horses and children. Many of our staff learn to ride as campers at Roughing It and are all CPR and first aid certified. Our senior riding staff are also instructor certified by the Certified Horsemanship Association.
I was a camper here when I was 9 years old, and I've been here for about 9 years now. And I love horseback riding, and I love working with the campers and teaching them how to do it, just like I learned here at Roughing It. And I love camp because when I came it was always a really friendly environment, and I made so many friends here. And I try to make it so the campers do the same.
We select our horses just as carefully as we select our staff, and campers have their favorites who return each summer. With over 30 horses, we can match campers and horses based on ability and disposition for all levels, beginner to advanced. Day camp riding takes place at our private riding site in Moraga. We have 4 spacious riding arenas, a cross-country course, vaulting circle, and a back 40 for pasture rides. Our day camp riding program consists of English instruction on bareback pads, which greatly improves campers' balance and riding position.
My name is Jack, and I'm 7 years old, and my favorite thing about riding is jumping.
Horseback riding is so popular at Roughing It that additional daily riding lessons are available at Saddle Club, our after-camp riding program. Come see why our campers love to learn riding the Roughing It way.